Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to plant any indoor plant in a pot, the common mistakes that one makes while doing so and how to avoid them. In this video my brother is helping me so that I can shoot the video. So without any further delay, let's get started. Now as you can see, we have to give these stones at the bottom of the pot, which necessarily should have some holes. This helps in proper draining of water. After giving a layer of these gravels, we will fill the pot about 3/4 from the bottom with a soil mix. And it's very important to make a proper soil mix. The soil mix I have made consists of 60% coco peat and 40% compost. The coco peat here makes the pot lighter so that it can be kept on any of the shelves, and the compost here adds fertility to the soil so that the plant remains lush green and can grow to its maximum capacity. Now after filling the pot up to 3/4, we will take the plant. It's important to remove the soil which was given in the plant from the nursery, as most of the time it contains clay soil and in the long run they help in root rot, which is very detrimental to our plant. But we should be extremely careful during this process and be sure not to harm the plant. Then after removing the soil successfully, we should hold the plant with one hand at the center of the pot, fill the soil from the sides and leaving necessarily 1/2 inch to 1 inch space from above the pot so that it's easier for us to water. After once you have completed pouring the soil into the pot, it's important to press the soil so that there are minimum air spaces left between the roots. The air spaces, if they are left, are favorable for fungal growth, which is obviously what we don't want. And now we will water the plant. It's important to give fungicide like SAF, and we should make sure that the water comes out from the bottom of the pot. And here my 2 plants are ready, one for a shelf and one for the dining table or study table. So here is the complete video.